Hey everyone, today on the channel I'll show you how to save or export a video in CapCut on PC. Let's say we have a finished project. We click the top right export button. Here we name our project. That's what the video or project will be called. Here we can choose where to save it. Usually it's a folder on the disk. People don't usually save to the C drive. Let's say videos and select here. Here you can choose the resolution. Full HD, for example. It doesn't affect much if your video is already full HD. Set that. For bitrate, AE is recommended. Codec is usually H264 MP4 format. Frame rate is 30 FPS. This is fine for most videos. For smoother video, you can set it to 60. Audio settings we don't touch. Copyright check doesn't really matter. Click export and the video will appear in your chosen folder. That's all, folks. This was Weiler. See you next time.